Okay, so we're gonna unbox the Moyu timer for Rubik's Cube, and you know what? Let's just start it. So this is it, and like that. Let me put my Rubik's Cube on here, and I don't want to see me. I'm over 1 minute and 30 seconds, somewhere on that 2 minutes. It depends on how fast I can do this. So basically how this work is, you know, hold like that, and you're gonna start solving it, and if you're done, put it down, and yeah, so something like that. So I'm gonna give you the link for this Muyu timer. It's made in China anyway. So if you want timer for Rubik's Cube, Moyu timer anyway, like that, and you want to save it and turn it off and reset it, something like that.